In order to use Experian, or Experian can be used to access and manage your credit information, including your credit report and scores, and to take steps to improve your credit. You could create a free Experian account to view your credit report and FICO score. Enroll in an Experian Boost potentially improves your score by adding eligible bill payment and monitoring your credit for changes as well. If you're using an application, you want to head over to your respective app store. On the search box, type in Experian and install these applications. Once you're done installing it, then you could go ahead and create your free account. Since the interface won't appear, so I will not be using the version. So I'll go with the web version. So type in experian.com. This is going to take you to the official field, so you want to click on the sign up button, enter in your credential, create your account, verify your identity, all that, and you'll have successfully created your account. After which you could go and build and improve your credit score. So if you have an eligible utility, phone or SIM, you could use the Experian Boost to add those payments to your credit file, potentially improving your scores as well. So likewise, you could also explore other features available, and that is how you could use Experian. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.